Welcome to 9633 White Castle Road in Mobile, Alabama. This custom-built home features beautiful white columns, wainscoting throughout the living room and the dining room, crown molding throughout. There's a half bath here just off the foyer. This home offers a lot of natural light, gas logs in the living room, hardwood flooring in the dining room, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a walk-in pantry, an eat-in kitchen, and a breakfast bar. Welcome to the primary suite. This room features beautiful tray ceilings and luxury vinyl plank. The primary bath features dual vanities, a soaking tub, a freestanding shower, a separate water closet, and his and her closets. A linen closet just to the right of this vanity. The laundry room and the two-car garage is off this hallway. So check out the second primary bedroom. This one's huge. It's got a beautiful tray ceiling, a separate door to exit out onto the covered porch, a walk-in closet. Two of these bedrooms on this side of the house have cork flooring. Here's your second bathroom. This is the only room in the house that has carpet, and all these bedrooms have walk-in closets. This home features a whole house generator that automatically switches on anytime the power goes out. This home has really catered to anyone that might have allergies. There's a MERV 13 filtered HVAC with a REME Halo air purification system with all ductwork replaced in 2021. The laundry is located just off of the primary suite. These are hurricane covers for all the windows. The two-car garage also features a storage area over here with a bench seat. The gas water heater is located here in this closet. This home offers a covered porch and an extra patio space. The backyard is huge. There's more area over here behind these shrubs. Call today for your private showing. 251-234-9919. Want to see more beautiful homes? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Frankie Wink 3600.